This is Project Broj, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 soft top, finished to our client's exact specification. Broj is finished in matte Coniston green with black accents. Broj sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a classic front bumper with worn winch, E.C.D custom steering guard, multi-point soft top roll cage, and 50-inch LED light bar mounted up front. Inside, Broj features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with Mole bomber gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats, with 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Avion Sahara leather stitched together in beige. This 110 is powered by our GM LS3 430 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle also features an array of modern touches, such as touchscreen stereo with gel audio speakers, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to charging points throughout.